producing
From listening to records, I just knew what to do. I mainly taught myself. And, I did pretty well, except there were a few mistakes that I made that I have just recently cleared up. I'd like to just continue to be able to express myself as best as I can on the instrument. I feel like I have a lot of work to do still. I'm a student of the drums. And I'm also a teacher of the drums too.
You thought it's now only Pura Vida. Costa Rica is the best. Everybody should go to Costa Rica because Pura Vida is pure best. It's all about that Pura Vida life now. Nah, nah, nah. Not so fast. Nature. Let nature cook a little bit. Because if you go a little bit north from Costa Rica, we not only have lake with a volcano. Guess what? We don't only have one volcano. Nah, nah, nah. We have two volcanoes. Nature. Is this nature's masterpiece? Volcano. Volcano. What the fuck, nature? On a freaking island? This freaking lake got sharks in it? What? Is this Garden of Eden? Is Garden of Eden in Nicaragua? Yeah, shut up. We know. This island is freaking beautiful. Everybody can see it. Maybe communism is the best base for the most beautiful nature, huh? Two volcanoes in one island. You thought Mr. BasedScience couldn't top Pura Vida, Costa Rica? Guess what? We also got the tropical sunlight still. We only couple latitudes more north. It's still freaking paradise on heaven with double whammy. Volcanoes. The volcanism is next level over here. The magnetic flux. The tropical sunlight. What about the people? Are they the fake ass, fake mall, Americanized, Pura Vida bro? Or is people a little bit more based? Down to earth. What it's called? Salt of the earth, people. I'm speeding because I'm so excited. My body's so full of energy over here. This might be the ultimate nature. For all the nature lovers. Everybody who wants to heal their bodies. Feel their best. Be the most optimized. Maybe this is the ultimate biohack. This freaking plane of existence has to offer on an island with two volcanoes, with freaking parrots and bananas and tropical fruit trees and freaking cattle, pigs. I have never seen so many raw chicken in my life. This island has the... Shut up, parrots! We know you are freaking enjoying the best island this earth probably has. Yeah, we all are enjoying this shit. Oh my god, this view is next level. Anyway, I have never seen so many raw chickens in my life. Do you know how freaking hungry I am over here? Seeing all these raw chicken, and not only raw chicken. We got raw turkeys. Everybody got raw turkeys. Everybody got pigs. Everybody got beef. Everybody got horses. Everybody got animals. Everybody got huge banana fields. Everybody got all kinds of tropical fruits. Everything freaking grows here. Even your poor ass health. If you lost your health in some EMF, non-native EMF shithole that we humans built in the name of progress, in the name of malicious technocracy. Yeah, maybe Nicaraguan is a little communist. Maybe Nicaragua is a little bit more dirty than the touristy Americanized Costa Rica, which is still freaking beautiful. It's still 11 out of 10 country. But Nicaragua, maybe Nicaragua is a bit more based in every which way. Maybe even the nature is better here, even though it's a little bit, maybe not even a little bit, even like this much more dirty here. But guess what? No 5G here. Nicaragua ain't got those towers. I haven't seen one plane giving us little white poop trail in the sky. I've been here 1 week. I haven't seen one plane fucking up my tropical sunlight. No 5G towers. Those were everywhere in Pura Vida, Costa Rica. Those are freaking everywhere in most places. So maybe communism really is the best base. Maybe Karl Marx was right with abolishing the properties and all. Yeah, maybe that dude didn't know. Fuck, maybe that guy was part of the Rothschild banking system. Zionist, Fabian bullshit. But anyway, it's pretty damn nice. Although I can see those windmills over there also. But that's a small part. I really don't like windmills. And if you understand them, you understand they fuck up your vibe. Because they are very bad with the non-native EMFs. But no 5G towers. So this is welcome to the next step of the Tropics All Day Experiment. Are we taking it to the next level? Are we stepping it up from Pura Vida, Costa Rica, if that's even possible? Going from 11 out of 10 nature to maybe 12 out of 10 nature? Is that even possible? Well, guess what nature really cooked in this man-made country called Nicaragua? As you can see. And this is where the Tropics All Day Experiment, doing the based science, the real based in reality science, has brought Mr. Base Science. Trap along, we're taking this shit to the next level. Also, everything is so much cheaper here. What the hell is going on? I got tomahawk steak, over 1 kilo tomahawk steak, under 15 euros. That's like, what is that, $17 or something? What the fuck? I've never seen so cheap meat in my life. So, guess what? 2 volcanoes on a lake, on a tropical sunlight. And we can be naked here. We can get our... Yeah, it's gonna be real good. Subscribe and tell your friends this is the best science channel this freaking bullshit ass YouTube has ever seen. So subscribe and get maybe your ass over here. It's cheap. And this might be the most beautiful place I've ever seen. See you tomorrow from Ometepe Nicaragua.